Hello children, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back for another interesting activity. Now let's see what is that. Let's type more time. Now children, some of the activities we do it fast and some it will take time. At home also, filling water in the water bottle, it takes less time, and filling water in the bucket takes more time. Like that we are going to see many pictures. Here, see, below the tap one mug is there and below the tap one bucket is there. What is the question? Take the vessel which requires more time to get filled. Now mug is smaller one and bucket is bigger one. By seeing the object only we will come to know this one will take more time for filling the water. So what you have to do is you have to put tick mark for that. Now here your car is there, your man is standing. Take the mode of traveling which takes less time. Now person walks and the car goes. Car is working in diesel or petrol and this person he walks. So when we compare who takes less time and who takes more time? Yes, definitely a machine. That is a car takes less time. See? Take the mode of travel which takes less time. So car takes less time. So here given take. Here, take the one that takes less time to travel. Here, one bicycle is given, one scooter is given. Now you have to find out which vehicle takes less time. Yes, scooter takes less time. And here, ship and aeroplane. So, this is waterways and this is airways. The modes of transport is waterways, airways. So which one will take less time? Yes, definitely aeroplane takes less time. Here, take the one that takes more time to travel. Bus is given, train is given. Now when we compare these two, which vehicle takes more time? Yes, it is bus. And here bullock cart and car. And by seeing that you will come to know bullock cart takes more time. Take the activity that takes more time, cross the activity that takes less time. Here one boy is swimming and here in the boat two persons are going. Yes. What he is doing? This boat is moving with the help of the petrol. And here this boy is swimming. So he has to put his body. He is putting his own energy. So from this we can make out the activity that takes more time. So which one takes more time? Yes, the boy swimming takes more time. And which one takes less time? Yes, the person one is driving the boat takes less time. Now here, color the box under the vessel which will fill in less time. This is water bottle and this is a drum. So, which will fill in less time? Yes. So, we have colored the box below the water bottle. Here, color the box under the picture of the vehicle which takes more time for journey. What is this? Bullock cart and this is bus. So which one takes more time for journey? Yes, bullock cart. So we have colored that. Now the next activity is what is next. That is before and after. So what is next means after this what we are going to do? That. Here, observe the pictures, write the order of activities by putting the serial numbers. Now here one boy is there. Here one lady is stitching and here The lady is cutting and here she is taking machining. Now, you all know that you must have gone to the tailor to stitch your cloth. So, when you give the cloth, what the tailor do? He takes his measurement, tape and he measure you. So, the first thing he has to do is take the measuring tape and measure the person. So, measure the person or your cloth for stitching purpose. So, here the first activity is the lady going to measure the cloth. The second activity is after measuring the cloth, the tailor cuts the cloth. Yes. And after cutting, what the tailor does? He stitches the cloth. So, here the lady is stitching the cloth. Then after stitching, the boy has wore the shirt. So, fully completed work. So, first one, the tailor take measurement. After the measurement, the tailor cuts. After cutting, the tailor stitches. After stitching, the boy wore the shirt. Next activity. Observe the picture, write the order of the activities by putting the serial numbers. Here, what mother is doing? Mother is rolling chapati. In the second picture, mother kept the chapati on the plate. In the third picture, mother is making dough. And in the fourth picture, the girl is eating chapati. And in the last picture, the mother is roasting chapati on the gas stove. Now, is the proper way it is kept? No. It is not the proper way. What you have to do is, first you have to make a dough for making chapati. So, that is the first one. After making dough, we make it round and then we roll it. That is the second activity. First, you have to make a dough. Then afterwards, you have to make a roll. And third, what you have to do is, yes, you have to roast it. After that, you have to put it in the plate. After putting in the plate, the child starts eating. So, this is the proper order of the activity. First, mother is making dough. Then afterwards, mother is rolling the chapati. Third, she is roasting. Fourth, she is putting it on the plate. And fifth, the child is eating. Now, the next activity is here. See, in the first one, the boy is taking bath. Second one, the boy is getting up from his bed. Third one, the boy is brushing. And fourth one, the boy is going to the school. Is it proper? No, it is not proper. So, first, the boy is getting up from the bed. That is the first activity. After getting up from the bed, what do you have to do? As soon as you get up from your bed, you have to go to the bathroom and you have to brush it. Yes. After brushing, what do you have to do? You have to take bath. After taking bath, you have to go to school. So first, the boy got up from his bed. Then he went to brush. Then he took bath. Then he went to the school. Now let's see the another activity. Take the activity which you do first. Here, wearing shoes, wearing socks. What do you do before wearing shoes? You put socks. So, what you have to do is, first you have to wear socks, then you have to wear the shoes. Second one, taking bath, wearing school uniform. After taking bath only, you wear school uniform. So, first taking bath. Now, in the third question, washing foods, eating foods. So, when we buy from the shop, we won't eat as it is. What we do? We wash it thoroughly, then afterwards we eat. So, first you have to wash. So, washing fruits. Next, watching the movie, buying the movie tickets. We cannot go as it is to watch the movie. What you have to do is, first you have to buy the ticket. Then only we can go to the theatre inside to see the movie. I hope you must have enjoyed this activity. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.